Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to install, configure, and use the Easy Digital Downloads plugin for WordPress. This powerful plugin helps you sell digital products effortlessly. Let's dive right in. Easy Digital Downloads, or EDD, is one of the best plugins for selling digital products using WordPress. In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process of setting it up and getting started. First, let's install the Easy Digital Downloads plugin. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New. In the search bar, type Easy Digital Downloads. Locate the Easy Digital Downloads plugin, click Install Now, and then Activate. With the Easy Digital Downloads plugin installed and activated, we're ready to configure it. After activation, you'll be greeted with the Easy Digital Downloads Setup Wizard. This wizard will help you with the initial configuration. In the first step, configure your store's general settings. Enter your store's location and currency. This information is crucial for processing transactions accurately. Click Save Changes to proceed. Now, let's add your first digital product. Go to Downloads, Add New. Enter the product title and description. This information will be displayed on the product page. Scroll down to the Download Prices section and set the price for your product. Next, upload the digital file associated with this product. Add the file name in the file name field, then include the URL for the file and add it to the product. You can also add multiple files if needed. Once you've entered all the details, click Publish to make the product live on your site. Congratulations, you've just added your first digital product. To accept payments, you need to configure a payment gateway. Go to Downloads, Settings, and navigate to the Payments tab. Easy Digital Downloads supports several payment gateways. Let's set up PayPal as an example. Click on the PayPal tab, click the Connect with PayPal button, and configure the additional settings as needed. Then click Save Changes. Next, customize the checkout settings to ensure a smooth purchasing experience for your customers. Go to the Checkout tab. Here, you can configure the terms and conditions and other checkout options. Customize these settings based on your store's requirements and click Save Changes. To manage orders and customers, go to Downloads, Orders. Here, you can view all the orders placed on your site, including details such as order status, customer information, and purchase products. You can also view detailed information about your customers by going to Downloads, Customers. This helps you keep track of your customer base and their purchase history. Easy Digital Downloads offers various extensions to enhance the functionality of your store. Visit the EDD website to explore and install extensions for features like recurring payments, software licensing, and more. Additionally, you can configure other settings such as email notifications, styles, and advanced options by navigating to the respective tabs in the EDD settings. And that's it. You've successfully installed, configured, and started using the Easy Digital Downloads plugin for your WordPress site. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, leave any questions or comments in the comment section below, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.